stock Nissan GTR R35 just beat a Lamborghini Aventador in the rain. Today we're diving into why the Nissan GTR R35 might secretly be your dream car, and how it crushes expectations in ways even supercars envy. Would you rather have a 250K exotic that turns heads, or a 100K icon that humbles them? Comment your pick before you finish the video.
Is a dream car something you can't afford or something you can't forget? The Nissan GTR R35 challenges that question, blending hypercar performance, bulletproof engineering, and everyday usability. It's not just fast on paper, it's fast in reality. While brands sell status, the GTR sells experience. Dual clutch launches, active all-wheel drive, and turbocharged thrills, all for a price tag that doesn't require a trust fund. Dream cars don't need to be garage queens. They need to move your soul and still make it home for dinner. Speed, legacy, and practicality, rarely in one package. The GTR delivers all three.
Think only Ferraris and Lambos own the sub-3-second club? The R35 says otherwise. Its launch control is brutally precise, 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds, thanks to an all-wheel drive system that grips like a vice, and a dual-clutch gearbox that fires shifts like a sniper. Rain, heat, or uneven pavement, it doesn't flinch. While exotics spin or slip, the GTR just goes. It doesn't just accelerate, it detonates. If you've never felt your spine press into the seat while watching all 4 tires hook perfectly, the GTR's launch might be your new favorite adrenaline hit.
Why doesn't the GTR turn heads like a McLaren or a Ferrari? Because it's not here to show off, it's here to show up. Every vent, line, and intake on the R35 has a job. Its body isn't sculpted for attention, it's engineered for airflow, cooling, and speed. This car doesn't rely on drama, it relies on data. Flash fades, function lasts. While others flaunt carbon wings and butterfly doors, the GTR hums with silent intelligence, built for the driver who values outcome over ornament. Picture a midnight street race in 1990s Tokyo. Taillights glowing red, engines howling through tunnels. That's where the legend began. The R35 didn't appear out of nowhere. It inherited its soul from the Skyline GTR dynasty, a lineage that embarrassed supercars long before social media did. It's not just fast, it's historically significant. Every GTR carries decades of motorsport victories, engineering breakthroughs, and underground fame. This isn't a car, it's a bloodline. Owning an R35 means you're not just chasing performance, you're carrying on a story that started generations ago, 1/4 mile at a time. Ever sat in a car and felt like it understood you? The GTR R35's cockpit isn't about luxury, it's about synergy. Co-designed with input from ex-fighter jet engineers, every gauge, button, and paddle is placed for instinctive interaction. You're not just sitting inside it, you're syncing with it. While rivals distract with touchscreens and stitched leather, the GTR equips you with telemetry displays, shift feedback, and mission-ready focus. It's not an interior, it's an interface. You don't need mood lighting when the only emotion you want is adrenaline. Under the hood lies something rare, precision with a signature. Each GTR 35 engine is hand-assembled by a single Takumi master in a clean room. It's not marketing fluff. Their name is stamped on every finished motor like a seal of honor. This 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 isn't just powerful, it's personal. It delivers 565 horsepower with samurai-level consistency. Machines don't build this engine, masters do. While other brands automate, Nissan chose craftsmanship. You're not just buying performance, you're inheriting pride, torque, and tradition. One rev at a time. Why pay double or triple for a supercar badge when the GTR delivers brutal performance at a fraction of the cost? As brands inflate prices with gimmicks and luxury fluff, the R35 remains a grounded powerhouse. It's proof that raw speed and engineering excellence don't need to bankrupt you. While exotic cars appreciate vanity taxes, the GTR offers a rare blend of value and thrill. High price doesn't guarantee high performance. Sometimes it just buys ego.
In a world obsessed with status symbols, the R35 is a rebel's choice. Performance that respects your wallet and your soul.
Imagine turning your GTR into a 1,000-horsepower beast with just a few tweaks. The R35 isn't just a car, it's a tuning legend. From bolt-on turbo upgrades to full engine swaps, its platform invites creativity and rewards it with jaw-dropping speed. Thousands of enthusiasts have pushed these machines far beyond stock, proving the GTR's engineering is both robust and endlessly modifiable. Stock is fast, tuned is terrifying. Whether you crave weekend track domination or street cred, the GTR's tunability makes it a blank canvas for every speed dream.
What if your dream car wasn't just for weekends? The GTR R35 proves it can be both a smooth daily and a track-ready predator. It cruises comfortably through traffic with surprising refinement, yet unleashes ferocious power when you press the accelerator. This balance is rare. Most supercars punish drivers outside the track. Owning an R35 means never compromising. School runs and spirited laps coexist. Versatility isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. If your car can't handle life's full spectrum, is it really your dream? The GTR handles it all with poise.
The Lamborghini roars, the Ferrari blares, but the GTR simply arrives. It doesn't crave the spotlight. It commands respect through silent dominance. While flashy exotics shout for attention, the R35 whispers confidence, then obliterates the competition on the street and track. Quiet power cuts deeper than noise. This is the car for those who don't need validation, they just want results. The GTR's low profile is its greatest weapon. Underestimated, overlooked, unstoppable.
Imagine a car so iconic it stars in blockbuster films and rules countless video games. The GTR R35 isn't just a machine, it's a symbol of speed, rebellion, and precision that resonates worldwide. From Fast and Furious street races to midnight digital battles in Gran Turismo, this car ignites passion across generations. Legends aren't just built, they're lived. When you drive a GTR, you join a global community united by adrenaline and respect, where every engine roar tells a story. Heavy cars don't usually dance on curves, but the GTR breaks every rule. With aluminum panels, a reinforced chassis, and ultra-stiff suspension, it's a 3,900-pound precision instrument. It's tough enough to shrug off daily wear, yet nimble enough to slice through corners like a fighter jet slicing through the sky. Strength and agility aren't opposites, they're allies. That's why the R35 defies physics and expectations, offering both bulletproof durability and razor-sharp handling. If you think mass slows you down, the GTR will change your mind, because true engineering balances force with finesse.
Can a 100K Nissan really take down 300K supercars? The GTR R35 says yes. Time and again, it has outpaced legendary rivals like the Porsche 911 Turbo S, Audi R8, and even some McLarens without breaking a sweat or the bank. Magazine tests confirm it punches far above its weight class, combining raw power with surgical precision. You don't need a fancy badge to beat the best. This car isn't about flash, it's about ferocity. When the green light hits, the R35 is a beast unleashed, rewriting what performance means for the price.
Joining the GTR world isn't more than buying a car. It's entering a brotherhood. R35 owners aren't just drivers, they're devoted fans who share knowledge, stories, and a passion that rivals even Ferrari clubs. Online forums buzz with advice and legends, and meetups feel like family reunions where every member understands the car's soul. It's not just a car, it's a tribe. That community adds value beyond horsepower, belonging, shared respect, and lifelong friendships. Owning a GTR means joining something bigger than yourself. A legacy built on speed, trust, and camaraderie.
Most performance cars lose value the moment you drive them off the lot, except the GTR R35. Some models have actually appreciated, turning into rare collectibles sought after by enthusiasts and investors alike. This is a car that holds its worth while delivering relentless speed and precision. You're not just buying a thrill, you're making a smart investment. In a market flooded with depreciating machines, the GTR stands out as a rare gem that rewards both adrenaline junkies and savvy collectors.
If you want a car that excites your senses and your portfolio, look no further.
Imagine a car born on the brutal tracks of Fuji Speedway and Nürburgring, then refined to handle daily traffic jams with ease. The GTR R35 masters this balance, thriving in both ruthless racing conditions and mundane city streets. Track roots meet street savvy. This dual-discipline mastery means you don't have to choose between speed and usability. The R35 delivers both flawlessly. For drivers craving adrenaline and reliability, this car offers a rare harmony that few can match.
The R35's production ended in 2022, but its story is far from over. It marks the close of a golden era of analog driving, before hybrid tech and driver assist took full control. While newer models chase eco ratings and screens, the GTR stands as the last bastion of raw mechanical connection. Endings birth new legends. This car is now a collectible icon, symbolizing a passion for pure performance that's fading in modern cars. Owning one means preserving a driving experience soon to be lost, while inspiring the next generation of thrill seekers.
Why hasn't the Nissan GTR R35 stolen your heart already? It's stealthy, refusing to shout like flashy exotics, yet it delivers supercar performance without the showroom drama. Many dismiss it as just another sports car until they experience that launch control, that roar, that cornering grip firsthand. The best dreams sneak up quietly. The GTR waits for you to discover it, your perfect blend of speed, history, and practicality before flipping your world upside down. You don't just want a dream car, you want this dream car.
You've seen why the Nissan GTR R35 isn't just a car, it's a legend in motion. From its Mastercrafted engine and ruthless launch control to a heritage rooted deep in racing lore, it blends raw power with everyday grit. It defies price inflation, outpaces pricier rivals, and welcomes a passionate community that turns drivers into family. If you crave performance with purpose and a story that drives you forward, the GTR isn't just a dream. It's the car you didn't know you needed. Stick around because next time we dive into the future of hypercars and how legends evolve, trust me, you won't want to miss it.